In this video, I'll show you how to set up CMS Collections in Webflow. Start by signing into Webflow and opening your project. Once you're inside the designer, click the CMS icon in the left sidebar to open the Collections panel. Next, click Create New Collection. Give your collection a name, such as blog posts, projects, team members, or products, depending on the type of content you want to manage. Webflow will automatically create some basic fields, and you can add your own custom fields as needed. After that, add fields like text, images, rich text, dates, links, or categories. These fields will store the content for each item in your collection. Once you're finished, click Create Collection. Now start adding content by clicking New Item. Fill in the fields for your first CMS item and save it. You can repeat this process to add more content to the collection. Next, create a collection list on a page. Open the Add panel, drag a collection list onto the page, and connect it to your CMS collection. Then customize the layout and connect elements like headings, images, and buttons to the CMS fields. Once everything is set up, preview your website to make sure the content displays correctly. Make any design adjustments if needed. Finally, publish your site. Your CMS content will now be dynamically displayed and can be updated anytime through the Webflow CMS. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up CMS collections in Webflow. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to LearnModelab for more tutorials.